What if the sweetest thing growing in your backyard right now isn't a fruit? It's sugarcane. Right here in Southern California, I just harvested a full stalk of sugarcane, learned how to eat it straight from the field, and figured out how to propagate it in a tight space. But here's the twist. It flowers, and most people have never seen that. Plus, could a diabetic enjoy this? Well, a real doctor weighs in. You'll want to hear her answer. I help homeowners, serious gardeners, and businesses fix plant, lawn, and landscape problems using professional horticulture and contractor-tested methods without wasting money on gimmicks. If that sounds like your kind of content, hit like and subscribe right now. Don't go anywhere. The best part is still coming.
So that is a big chopper.
That is a big chopper.
That's right. Nick, you see what she's told me to go ahead and cut this one, right? Oh,
Okay.
and this one has flour too. We never seen one. There,
So
look at
before
that.
we get any further over here, we've got ourselves a sugar cane. And who would have known you could have a sugar cane here in Long Beach, let
That's
alone
right.
Southern California. This is a very tropical-ish like plant, and boy, yeah, look at that.
And
Look
look
at
at the rank. Like in our country, you want it between this one and say like this one or that one. You would pick this one because it has, or this one she said right here, because it's more juicy, it has more pulp or the inside to eat.
Is that because it's longer?
Yeah, and it's not as chewy.
Yeah.
It's more tender. So when you eat it with the
Okay, so let me ask you a question since you're a doctor.
Yes,
or at
I
least
is.
she plays one on TV, that's for sure.
no, not a practicing one for sure.
Okay, so when we're talking about the sugar content in something like this, somebody who has borderline diabetes or is a diabetic, do they have to stay away from this?
They should try to stay away from it because the way they anyone it's a good source of sugar, so they just like a like a candy. But they don't break down the sugar as quickly as another person. But once in a while, it's okay. It's just not every day.
Yeah.
Right. You cut
Okay,
down
so
on
one
something
thing that
else.
I'm noticing about this, and she's pushing the leaves away from me, these leaves are very sharp.
Yes, they
They're
are.
super, super
and
sharp.
they're making it itchy too.
Yeah,
so
oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Now we've got this contained in this small area, and you've got it next to the lemongrass. You got it growing around your
lemongrass.
feet. So how do we harvest this?
Well, she's gonna show me, or she's gonna show me Michael Buttoning. She said just you go through you can see one of the trunk right here. They just cut it down to the root there, or so basically that. She told me to pick this one because she want to show you that it is the best one. We have to be careful with the scratchy. I don't know.
Are you just gonna chop away at
Yeah, I'm
this? or
gonna
you're
chop
cut?
away at
Oh
it,
my
yeah.
goodness!
Because I'm just gonna go here because it's kind of dark. Can you see it? Normally it's easier, but I'm just gonna go like this.
So is that real hard, or is it cutting
It's not
easily?
too bad. It's actually easy. See, it's coming now.
Oh, nice.
It is
Whoa.
heavy. There we
Look
go.
at
Okay,
that.
can you take the knife here? So, pastor of the church get to cut the sugar cane.
Oh
Yay.
my! Look how
And
cool
there
this
we go.
is.
And take a look at, oops, there.
Yeah, we're gonna bring this down so we can see it. Can you catch
see?
that?
Now,
Camera
you don't
dude?
see it, but look at over there. Can you get the flowers? I never seen one with
way
flower. I didn't get one with the flower.
Look at that.
Right? Do you see the
Look at
flower
that.
over there?
Look at there's 2-3 flowers. In
Yeah, so we all were amazed. I never seen one with the flowers before.
So
I've seen all this.
I wonder if it flowers. Maybe she would know.
មានក៏ចង់ដឹងបើមានផ្កាកាត់អី
When this flowers, does the stalk die?
ពេលណាផ្កាតាអាតងវាស្លាប់អត់ទេងាប់អត់ទេ
អត់ងាប់ទេ
No she said no
Okay, because a lot of plants do that.
Yeah,
they'll
not
they'll
this
flower,
one.
then they'll end up dying.
Yeah. So I think
Okay.
when they first show it to me, it was really short, the flowers, and then now it just sprouted out, and the stalk is still there. So
So I remember as a little kid, my parents used to buy these things in the store
Yeah.
like this, and
Yeah.
we used to take in
Yeah.
and peel them.
you know how to eat them, right?
No, that's what we're gonna do right
okay,
now.
yeah. So give me back. So what happened is, okay. So you hold on tight, okay?
I'm gonna hold on tight.
Okay, let's come this way.
I'm watching my toes.
I know, huh?
Is there a doctor in the house? That's
know.
what I want.
That's okay. Doctor is right here, right? Okay. let's
Okay.
see. Just don't hurt myself. Okay. So what happened is I'm not doing a good job. So what happened? You're gonna leave that there, and then I'm gonna do this. So once they do it, and then salt. We call it salt. You know, salt. It's like taking this thing out.
ជើងទីទៅឲ្យវែងទៅឃើញវែង
Oh, sure. Okay, she told me how to giving me tips. So go like.
So it's peeling it is what we're
Yeah,
doing.
so we want to get all this hard thing out because you cannot eat that. It's sweet, but
So
we
this
don't
right here,
want that.
this is very fibrous and very hard on the outside, and So she's removing this off of that.
Yeah, and then you have to have a good teeth to eat this, otherwise. And our older people always say, I have to, I'm not looking at the camera because I want to chop off my hand or anything. So, but anyway.
Yeah, we don't want that either.
Yeah, no. Okay, so what happened is, okay, okay, so you're going to hold that, and I'm going to, okay.
So you went through the first layer just now. Now you're chopping it up.
Okay, no, okay, so.
Okay, so what I'm learning here so far is that it's really important to count your fingers before and after you do this.
Because what happened is, I'm trying to get you a piece, but we don't have a cutting board. Oh, okay,
That's
so
right.
what happened, because you're gonna try to, okay, you're not gonna eat this side, so I'm gonna use the stalk here. Yeah, it's clean. Because you could actually cut it into, okay.
I eat carrots
there we
out of the ground without washing them. So this is sanitary compared to what I used to eat normally. This one?
Okay, yeah, because what happened is you're going to eat them.
Okay, so are we going to eat
Yes,
these
we are.
and do we suswallow it?
No,
or
we're
no?
going to suck on it. You only juice it. Okay, so ready? 1, 2. No, too big. I need to cut it short and put it in.
Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. It is so delicate in its taste, very fibrous, but it is just.
I'm sorry.
You gotta crunch it and suck it at the same time, because otherwise it's gonna go all the way.
So, so technically, if you were to,
Oh, that's great.
yeah, can you hold this? Hold that one. Be careful with your finger. Okay, now put it in your mouth and chew it. That's how they cut it, then combine it, and then you spit it out. Yeah. So you're gonna help me now because I'm gonna do one too. Okay, we're gonna. There's usually we use it with a chopping board. Okay, you and I here toast. Ding.
That's the way you got to do it. It's like a burst. You bite into it and it bursts in your mouth. This is so cool.
After you suck it out, it's all dried up like this. All right. We actually, yeah. She
Don't
says,
swallow it.
no, don't swallow it, okay? But it's good, right?
Oh
So you
my!
can take it home and then. Okay,
What do you mean?
finger.
What do you take it home? I'm gonna eat it all right here.
Oh, I know, huh?
Yeah.
I know you should see us eat, and then like I said, and you know, interesting like how we. Okay, you ready? Oy oy. There.
So I guess for so this is real sugar cane.
Okay. Yeah.
This is where we get sugar from.
Yep, the sugar. The
So they would
CH.
take this, I would imagine, and they don't use the pulp for the sugar. They just use the juice from the sugar.
That's right.
And then they make it as a and they crystallize it.
Yes.
So.
And I actually in pulp pot, and they do it also from sugar. So here, and when we cut it into like this, you can use a toothpick, and they stick it, and they make it like a flower. You know, like they make it into like a blooming flower with all the stick, and they stick it on, and you just come and you just do and eat it. Here we go, Lo.
It's delicious.
We could eat it all day, yeah. But you know, other sugar cane we do is we do caramelized fish, like catfish. You should try this. So we take these, the one you see like this right here, and then you wash it, of course, and then you can cut it to your pot. So it's either this short or that short. If you have a big pot, you wash it and then you cut it into thin strip. You know, like it almost like this kind of strippy, but thicker with the meat. And then you lay underneath the pot after you caramelize all your the sugar, and then you kind of throw in the meat, like the fish or the pork or something. You turn around and you know, cook the meat a little bit halfway. Then you pour it out, and then you put this underneath the pot. I mean, not underneath, in the pot like that, and then you put all your meat in it.
On top of it.
And then you pour like hot water, and then you let it simmer. So it also gives the sweetness to it, and the other purpose that it serves is that it won't make it stick to the pot, because the caramelized stick the fish, especially, you know, to the pot.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do this. Oh my. Well, okay, so growing this and propagating it. Because like I said, I know you can go to the store and I can see these things growing out right here.
แล้วก็จากนั้นค่ะกัดมีดำอย่างแม็ก I know when I was in Pol Pot, I don't know, I would just cut it from here and you can do this or you take that.
តែបើថាកាត់អាចចុងនោះមកកណាត់ហើយតកនោះមកកប់ដីទៅវាលាស់
Yeah, but or you can do, oh, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry. She said that you can do the top part
នេះអាឆ្នាំវាហ្នឹងដោះហ្នឹង
and this one too,
Yeah.
right? And you
Yeah.
can just stick it into it or just the
Yeah.
whole thing from here up.
Yeah.
You can stick it, but I've seen it done where they just do it like from here. Like from here to here, you take this and you stick it in the ground.
And you buried it up to here.
Yeah, you bury it. You bury it
From
like
here to-
above
from
that.
here.
So it's like if you take this part here, you know, like that, and then you just.
As long as you need that node, that's
Yeah.
your growing node.
Yeah. The panangan man, eh? Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Easy to propagate. Yeah, and they grow like wildfire. But yeah, these are good, huh? See.
It's easy to eat. I don't know about propagate. It's almost like bamboo. You know, the way that it grows.
It looks like a bamboo,
Yeah.
but the bamboo is more hollow inside.
Hollow inside.
Yeah. When we have bamboo next time, we talk about the certain dishes that we can make from bamboo shoot, and also like some dessert they put it into the stalk of the bamboo. It's called galan. It's like very famous in Siem Reap. Yeah. Nick is really
I'm
enjoying
making
it.
a slob out of myself. This is so good.
You should do a cooking. Last time we did kind of a cooking show, a fruit show, wasn't it?
We did a fruit show together.
Yeah.
Tasted all these different kind of fruits. You've been holding out on me.
Yeah. So good in the summer, and we make sugarcane drink from it. So there's a machine that you press it. So you would.
Oh, is that
cut
right?
It. Yeah. So you cut.
Yeah,
so
yes, I
you can
do.
cut it from here to here, and you wash it, and they would cut it from there, and then they run it through the machine. The machine will press it, and then they collect the juice
កាប់
on
វា
the other
គ្រូ
end.
កាប់ឲ្យគាត់មើលមកណាត់ដាំមិនចឹងដឹងហើយ
ចាំមានចាំកាប់ here. You show him. She wants here. She's gonna show you how to propagate it. Here you go. Okay. Careful, by my neck back to here.
She's gonna propagate. She's gonna cut that up, and then I'm gonna plant it. That's what I'm gonna do.
នេះអត់ដាំទេ
No, so that one's for eating. Not for.
Okay. Look at all those ants.
Look at her. She's very good at this.
Look at the way she's doing this. That's like
Uh-huh.
professional. Now she's doing this because she doesn't have any fingers, right?
No, just tons of them. What she does is at this church, you know, we are very family oriented. We're church family. So she in charge of growing the sugar cane. And then when she said next week she's gonna cut it down and she's gonna share, you know, about this much to each family because you know
Oh.
we all can take it home and cut it and eat or cook with it.
So, again, from a doctor's point of view, we're eating all this, and does it have as much sugar in it as it does when they actually make sugar, or is it less sugar?
It's less sugar because when they make it, it's concentrated.
It's concentrated, yeah, that's
so
what
this
I
is,
think.
Yeah, this is pretty healthy. You know, it's a lot less sugar than in like a drink.
Can you take
know.
this and just like put it in hot water to steam out some of the sweetness out of it,
I
or
don't know,
that's really not even a
ask them. Do
thing?
you guys know មីងអាហ្នឹងគេដាក់យកទៅដាំទឹកឲ្យញ៉ាំបានដែរអត់ទេ
អត់ដឹងដែរអា
She said she haven't tried it. Yeah. So we usually just eat it like that or we use it in the cooking. Okay, ដាំមកវិញណា She said that's how.
អានេះកប់ដីដេកចឹងណា
Oh, ដេកអញ្ចឹងហ៎ឲ្យវាដេកអញ្ចឹងហ្មងអត់មែនចេះទេ
អានេះដាក់ចេះអានេះចេះក្បាលនេះក្បាល
She said that when you plant this one, she can just slant it like this.
អានេះអត់ទាន់ចេញ
But this one that doesn't have
Yeah.
anything coming out, you can just bury it in the.
អានេះកាត់ប្តីអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយនេះ
So bury it this far?
No, she just to bury the whole thing.
The whole thing?
Yeah, she said for this one the whole thing because there's nothing coming out.
កប់ប្តីវាមកដាក់ចោលទៅនោះទៅ
And
បា
put the-
ឲ្យក្បាលចេញហ៎ឲ្យក្បាលចេញតិចអត់ទេ
So you don't.
ចេញឲ្យចេញ
Oh yes, a little bit head out, but you can bury it. Yeah, so
But you put it in an angle.
An
and
angle.
do you have to wait, like in some plants, we have to wait till this turns brown and like that, or do we, or
no. I remember when I was doing it in Pol Pot, you don't, you just stick it. ព្រោះចង់ដឹងថាយើងត្រូវចាំឲ្យពណ៌ brown អីពេលណាហើយឲ្យវាកាប់ភ្លាមៗទាំងដាំបានទេឬមួយក៏ចាំ She said right away.
Right away.
Don't have to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah. Propagate right away. And there you
Wow.
are. You can take that home.
I am gonna take this home. I'm not
So you
even
can have your
asking.
sugar.
I'm gonna take it. Thank you.
នេះចង់
Oh, she's gonna show you.
ចង់ធ្វើគាត់មើលនេះជីនឹងដកហើយ
We got ants like crazy. We're gonna wash
Look,
these
they
off
like
first.
it. Yeah, they like the sugar. Look, she's gonna show you.
Oh, look at this. We're gonna do this.
She's gonna use that and she's gonna plant it for you.
Let's do that. And how interesting. I mean, we are in a very confined area here. We got a car that's above, right over here.
Well, we know how to make our space
Can you get that okay,
accessible
camera
and
dude?
use.
Look at that. Okay. All right, so she's putting it at an angle, just like that.
Yeah.
That's all you have to do.
Is behind. Yeah,
That
that's it.
is
but I mean, but
amazing.
of course you're gonna turn it this way because this one will grow that way.
Yeah.
But she said that it will kind of go up on its own
Okay.
when you slant it.
Okay, so we can see that this is a clumping plant that's coming out
Mm-hmm.
here. Does it ever put shoots out like bamboo? Because you put this right here, you put a bamboo right here.
Yeah.
You're gonna get a plant growing way over there.
មីងអានេះវាដែររៀបដើរទៅដល់បើយើងដាំនេះវាដែររៀបដើរទៅដល់នោះឯងអត់ទេអត់ទេ no she
No,
says like
okay,
a
so
plant,
it's
not
just,
like bamboo
it's just
she
the
said where
clumping
it is
plant.
yeah just around there
I have seen these things in my travels. I've seen them in Hawaii before. I have never done this. This is so exciting. I'm gonna over at the thingsgreen.com botanical gardens. We're gonna take these. We're gonna plant them. We're gonna eat this, and then
you got the best see between that and that you'll get the better one and the more on the bottom like toward the root the more sweeter and you can see the color.
Oh.
So if you were to choose between these two, choose that one.
Yeah.
The one with the on the bottom and also
Now
how it
look
is.
at you. Remember, I always talk about being green side up. This right here shows you. See this right here? It's going upwards. So we know that this is the top and we know this is the bottom. So
And
that's
then
what
you
she's
can
talking
compare
about.
that with that too.
Yeah.
And then the bottom is where usually the sweetest.
Wonderful.
Yeah, there
Yeah,
you
and she
go.
took. I don't know if you noticed it or not, but she took this, and she took it from the top. She didn't take it from the bottom, so it's all from the top.
ហ្នឹងឲ្យគាត់
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Beautiful. Well, thank you very much.
អូខេអរគុណបង
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ming.
Okay, there we
Lovely
have
being
it.
sowed.
We're gonna have our
Let
own
me show you.
sugar plantation.
Oh, and let me show you the
over here.
Cambodian. This is a later. This is a hat that they make from palm leaves. So
Oh,
this
look
is
at that.
Cambodian. This is our grama, which we usually wear around our head when we are working in the yard.
Okay.
It has many use.
Okay.
Yeah, that's grama.
Yeah, so we were joking earlier. She says, "Yeah, Chicky, you get hot and you wipe your brow." I says, "Well, when I get
Let's
hot,
see how-
I wipe my brow like this."
Here, hold this for me. Let's see how it looks on neck. Here.
Oh
and-
boy! All right.
So you can use grama has a lot of many uses. We'll talk about that later. But for example, we like to when we go somewhere So see like that, or you can go,
I'm styling.
or like this, right?
Don't get my beard
Okay,
on.
and then you happen is and then you can wipe. See, you do that, and then or if you're hot, yeah, right, and he said, "Yep, that's right. There we go.
There we go.
See?
Look at that.
Now it's Cambodia.
I'm an official
Yeah,
Cambodian. That's what I am.
There we go. There we go. All right.
All right. Thank you very much, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.